I TC News. Meba Bawumia Akwa Addo latest and hot news Akwa Aremeyaw Bramo. Aniti so we now subscribe to the channel na for more say we subscribe to the channel. You be answer we click the subscribe button na we bell notification. We are the video be upload no for the first person I was abeka a video. I think we are like video and give us a thumbs up na fe. Shema of Frosso na we be here na wo hu and some koso afi yembura aye and sema ameto yepunoso iti aye sa reporting about the Sammy yakosi mumenti iti Sammy
yeah yes afi yenhwe Agyapadie this is the second time I hear review
yeah
me ama Ghana fo nyanti yato din say Agyapadie decide
yeah
so far I know say you've read this document back to back and Hopeson also remain one individual exposé no hano followed a lot then Hopeson started another trend of exposé on this nobody I'm telling you really are pen Hopeson the twaso so the way it generated a lot of euphoria controversies and still you so the third review no yeni Hopeson babe so far what Hopeson has read Hopeson
yeah
we share a nyoma akoswo document so far DNA we see film Oba can say still a fiction. Obi see any source, any Indiana sana.
Omoboa have a source.
Great. Take it up.
Na menka say Agyapadie ho a.
That's right.
Ya de makokoto ho.
Hey.
Na ma print say no to Agyapadie t-shirt. 1,000 go ho. My first appearance in Cóurt no. O de ombe hu Ghanaians a omba be.
Yes.
Because everybody is concerned of our environment ye bibia ya Agyapadie wo Ghana has any ade nti yebeko na lawyers no ya enter appearance second to call break am said this week mu no resume na just say ya hwe hawa yebeko no yebeko na nipa no de me call yi no edin no book yi mu ana me bo odin no ana I say maboni din no okwa in the first place edin na me book mu ha no Ayawa, proof say ayawa.
My friend,
proof say ayawa.
My friend is because say your no.
Say enya wadia. Then what is your local?
Yeah, meet me abodi no because me so me
media memo. Because me no Kwaku Annan. Macha dana. Well, me train Ghana for adwuna.
Yes.
So
me so mra no me no ho ano. And me no so your interview.
Two things.
Yes.
Oh, what was the idea you Cóurt? Number 2. Ebi abebo mi hu na me nka asem bugwe make kan ho asem till the kingdom come make kan ho asem until some NPP be free power hwe me say ya makwa yo
yeah
Kwaku me dia me ye in fact me refie wo die kita mi wo die onya on say omo to 2 futuro bigu nkofo ni so
yes
amanfo nhye dan study book no
what draw my attention something
yes what fire no okay see oh na say we o me see oh na sa book we kra de tam e ba ye na absakra no e ye backlist
exactly
but ofa book na chi no review book na chi first say ya twa Agyapadie na so restricted it means enya book e kwa abonten
Debbie restricted now ubasia ha secret confidential report
ubasia ha
yeah
adom review sa document AD 2020 at the year 2020
yeah
adom year revision of the book sabu go do more revise all the time mami kancho a family member of the accused or the alleged family called me and he told me say the original book was not Agyapadie, it was asase
eya twetwema susu akwa esoro ha ba
what dey yeba che masano ayibi
god
sanema onkofo mama mo dey ato ayi no so amame
good one correct yeah something is coming MC you won't put it
AD 2020
good one
anom year review anom yes anema we nyina
yeah are you there
eti no obi a obeka say
all right we take notes of sad no
we'll call for it
yeah
obwa enya dokre
good
enya dokre da eti according to the family member no the alleged ye can say family na say omo behind this say ebra family member bi ebie radio FM asase radio.
Watching Juicy News on YouTube.
That's right.
Immediately.
Juicy News on
YouTube. It's review no. Then it changed from asase to Agyapadie. Well, you know, so much I got on Fatu Sunamima or more.
Are you ready? Because you was out no anymore. But we have it there. So check it here. Quick, when you're fast.
Me pesa manfu who say Assembia ye can about this book no. Ya wo hunyina so.
Now yaw, guess again. Analysis what build be do by the name Agyapadie.
Yes.
And Asase.
Yes.
But guess what? Agyapadie also has something to do with Ghana's gold royalty in London.
In London. And no
Jesse.
And no na sa 300 and share page 11 to page 18. Ye wo companies.
Exactly.
Galamsey companies 332. 332. Any the last one no omutu no talency ho baby. So intervengers. So 332. And you see this government managed to come out with a liar. Emma Kwaima ye forest reserves.
Hey.
From Kwame Nkrumah person yesi mo bia nwram. Because he said ho bia nwram na go do na adorye ohoji. O wa kwesi sadi nyina. O wa kwesi sadi nyina. So dey. O mo kwesi sadi nyina. Eti asam na ye ka no eya na Ghana for fee say
you serious
eya asam kitua bi ni ye ka me say so NPP ni na say wo defend this ade we na wa adwene ni ho be na me ka kire wo.
By the way, Dennis Miracle say no.
They say omo brainwash no. Omo brainwash no. Odo no onim ne e worka. Odo no fee say 2016 ayi de buy no na absent ho. E na me ka kire wo. This is the book.
These are the secret codes.
Adini ni AD 2020. It means revision. Hwe Sabook way according to allegations about Bonche no kire say it was printed just one copy. Yam printing Chroma from UK. And omo print here. And every Yibiano is kept under safe. Omo share that to special safe for this book.
Me too.
Na omo baby omo share. So omo ye revision na the end ye ni de kai ka ho a omo wi ano omo send ashim no motu. It's an office. Beti one particular yibi no. Yankopon pese oda otu di asa na je. Ana omo refi na omo ja no ho. Ana obi pie so. O share no say hey sharp no photocopy ni na. No jabuku to hoboko. Toko no fa phone no scanning ni na no put into soft copy. Nipa the second first copy. Benim nipa no. What the man penifo akese atitru mienu e wo krom ha sei. Omo kan no omo ti bom. That's what they are saying on Betimabeka.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
So
Hot news all time.
Say,
you are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
At the communications meeting, our NPP headquarters, Mekai Yabuabia someone raised the issue.
Yeah.
Said document to be at the Namho. Rubbish, throw it somewhere. And your throne.
Great, yeah, your document.
Answer a document in the
Okay, hold on.
What they taking off? Answer a document in the Baba. Me say, book we, net title na ye asase. I don't be a radio near say I confirm. I don't changing the bar Agyapadie. Now, asase no, I don't know what the year registration.
Exactly.
I will UK say. Wamu de baba jeje ye royalties in Ghana ye minerals ni nyina royalties ano mo estimate no up to $1 billion say eno ano mo benya.
Yeah.
Now eno no say omo jima government wi a omo besa ajimu commission. But do you know something?
Hey,
the estimate was 5 billion. 5 billion. Ano mo edi 1 billion eba parliament. 4 billion no be come home. Now 1 billion no o ma charge mu commission. Look, it's here. Said no more say strategically o mu be undervalue the Mama certificate.
To what's na some more explanation because very important.
Be say
Scania is 5 billion.
5 billion.
Great one.
One more it's about 5 billion.
Okay.
Now 5 billion I don't know, yes, as I said, or more undervalue. So that chunk of the money no ebekwa bushani.
That's right.
85 billion no omde 1 billion eyeyi and omde call you can say parliament and no ne Agyapa LLC omde call parliament Agyapadie company Obaje mineral royalties
the mother company no
yes
and a special purpose
and the special purpose vehicle no eti omugigi wi a then aban besa mo commission in the 1 billion Ebra
1 billion
no akọ no behind the scenes no omude Ghana say ba be 1 billion. How can you be wicked?
Jesus, and what document no ha
mekan achiro ama obi ahu said here esite look oba ayi under mining oil and gas industry
yes
what's it our money as well as oil and gas strategies constitute a major plank of the blueprint of controlling the extraction of natural resources, which God has generously bestowed to Ghana, particularly the Achim land. How many minerals in the Achim land? So, what's it growing environmental factors rendering the risky of our use of illegal small-scale mining, the galamsey, as a source of financing our political objectives? There is therefore the need to roll out a more rigorous legal means of controlling a significant state of the legal boat value chain.
You are watching Juicy News
to this
on YouTube.
End, a careful look at the approved concession should be looked at. Asante Bediatuo is to lead the process to take over this concession detailed below and consolidate them into the extended Agyapa LLC incorporated in Jersey.
Hey.
Now, listed below, no, and now we have 332 companies.
Jesus Christ. Yeah. Now, take over.
Before say,
that's right.
Osha baby a me kan ye na. Chese wo mo enhwe na yenye Agyapa LLC. Over page 18 now. Was it the passage of the Mineral Income Investment Fund Act and the setting up of the first special purpose vehicle, Agyapa royalties,
that's right,
in Jersey, will allow us acting in various capacities and through our friends, through our friends, to acquire majority of the stake to be listed on the London Stock Exchange and Ghana Stock Exchange. Was it the cash flow? Was strategically
the cash flow.
Let's
just say Sikano Ebeba no kana makani dream. The Hopeson yourself for me na me yes.
The cash flow
enti Sikano Ebeba no
would be strategically undervalued.
Enti ebehwe say Sikano ebeboabo no kwan bi so a ye be Sikano so atie
to maximize our returns.
Say be ya ye benya mfaso dodo no aye hwehwe.
We will get a share of the money.
Now yes ye benya yes ye chafa bi wom.
Raised through IPO.
Now says can ye says can every IPO no more can end your mom code
on the two exchanges through paveway in quotation marks.
Yes, Bena, some men Ghana for
by contractors who work on the MIF funded project.
That's just so the contractor specials be a umba sage me and you'll be unable to be a mouth.
We will also get a share of the dividend for our equity holding.
Or say afi emfaso no Ghana eba benya no wono mo so benya o mfaso e wo Ghana die nim asem me ntesi o mote emfaso no eba dividends for Ghana no wo mo se ebusuakoi enso benya o mo so chefa e wo sa emfaso na ye de ma Ghana as a whole as a nation no.
So this is the wo mo undervalue that 5 billion or mo de 1 billion that obo ba declare no. Wamafa 4 billion na wie. 1 billion is eba no so no. Wa hu ne eba be.
Oh, you're more micro no. This is short change o.
Yes. Ni o ba be ni. Eti wo de fa ayinu bra na manfo hu ne ye.
Afi mo fa document into screen is na hopes ni ya de o. Yes. Great. Now this is the document. Mu zoom mra.
Zoom na na kese.
Emra
ni. Wo de so be chemu mienu kra na. Ye kan free sro no de ba.
Mon femra no correct okay good
my logo no mra my logo
no zumra good
so
yeah crack
Jersey Financial Services Commission
good
we company
no
e wo UK a wo mo na hwe register companies ni ade certificate of incorporation
and I say change of name of a limited company.
Good.
None of us say
Kosoro kakra.
Hey.
Kosoro kakra.
Mon kosoro kakra. MCR. Kosoro kakra ni enjade. Great.
I hereby certify that Asase Royalties Limited.
On YouTube.
Hey.
What news all time? You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. What news all time?
A private company incorporated under the company's Jesse law 1991 as amended, having changed its name by special resolution, has today been entered on the register of companies incorporated in Jersey as a private company having the name of Agyapadie Royalties Limited.
Agyapa Royalties Limited.
Dated this 10th August 2020. Signed. Hey! What is going on here?
Sabuku way. 2020 edition. I didn't know man for Bediatuo. The original book was Asase.
No, and now which yeah. AD 2020.
And the so
wow.
The original book was
Munzumi documents in Ghana for who the air patch no. Se mutimi anchemo de Arabic to e wo below kra se ho kra. Ho na be hu say book no has been what? Reviews
certificate no.
Muntwemre nim.
Yewo Asase Royalties Limited. And only the original company and I said the document na komode ko parliament. But because you say yeah, when you be Asase radio. Is it not 2019, 2020?
Yeah.
It's not just a contemplation and the concourse is sadino. So yes, it's from Asase Royal to Agyapadie. And not the change book from Asase to Agyapadie. I don't necessarily.
With a rapid speed though.
Speed. It is a bit by this a fiction. Then you pardon when you watch it. My mouth evidence. I didn't know that one. What the directors of this Agyapadie
tell us
in UK?
Tell us.
But who said this paper? What is the name? Sir, NDC paper.
I started later, man.
Daily
Post, eh?
Daily Post. But who said Daily Post? I get extensive work on that. Abubon Grofobidi. Na mi ankasa no. Mama obi yehuduma.
That's right.
Yeah, try okwa. Omo tieska omo hade. Omo hade the name. Our company website. Wutimi ye. It is there. You can pay so that they hide it.
Yeah.
But yeah, fakwa biso. Yeah, Kwaku Annan lawyer near Tria. Now, one no be demanded obey that official.
London students is a how.
They just suddenly get a quarter. I didn't know what book we. I didn't when they go through parliament. And you saw the catch them say a fiction. What battery say?
Code none down.
What's your book on it? I say no. AD 2020. I that one. AD 2020. And this certificate was changed on 10th August 2020.
Any they call parliament is minim the year and so
parliament minority walk out. That time 2020 only said na NDC kita majority in parliament. They passed it. Omo pass here no. Ana kasa sie so suni agifo e kasa sa ana president Babonte no wasi dabi. Obesa hwemu biom. No they are back to parliament. I just am going this Kennedy. A document in the go back to parliament. So parliament passed it. But because the president can say, we will review. Na saba parliament into no. We won't even find your Jumasene. Na sabi mo we nyina da ho no. Na man 41 no mo say dey. Me say man for be koje brutal.
Hey,
man for be koje lo. A man for be koje. These are hardcore evidence. And then someone will sit somewhere and say, book near fishing. And then I go fishing. Mama, one evidence actually certificate. Me masha that I'm there to abonti because you dey go court.
Exactly.
You dey go court. And you dey in a way e wo book no.
That's right.
And go parliament ana.
Ekoye.
Me kwa compare hands at me there to you dey go court. Now me say, what there? There is a fine opportunity for Ghanaians to understand this book. say a year fishing, say a year dear bay, say your Bible. Ghanaians will understand it. Now, there are some angles I have not disclosed it, and I will not disclose it.
Now,
they drew court to Hodubadom, who say yes. And you are more Hodum. So, yes. Yes. Una, what church rate, yaba, but the hopes in Kokotono. Prove that the name I mentioned in the book is you. The moment I Bediatuo say I want to we move on.
Because a dean will document him, Papa. Now, my tongue crash on my opinion is say, I'm not confirming so only dean and the attorney say yana. And on one opinion is meaning exclusive interview. Interview no.
That's right.
Yes.
Maybe review public document. And
you say you deny.
Read from the Bible. Na esrega grow. Bomsi book bi eda ba bi a ada. Ana me makwa nyane book. Agyapadie ade. Hey. Say ubo utimbo. Look. You say nipa on say we opportunity. Na say wo se wo wia bibia. Finance and via. Sir, who we are Caribbean. Now, what was so ma adesino? Exactly. Now, the only one is so befitting in idea. Ish. Yanko Pontra Honjo. Same page 20. Yeah. Baby, ya can we, you know. Mammy Shadia. Muntio. Great. Yentia. Komukoye airline. That's right, airline, no. Say, yeah, ma. A month for Enra Kwayemu, Entu Kwayemu ho, Kwame Nkrumah Dwinimu, Kutu Agyapong mu, Buzia mu, Lawrence mu, Kofuo mu, Mahama Obiase Mayenra Kwayemu, Entu good. Akufo Addo ne Bawumia ban kwade. Omo se e makwan, Yenra Kwayemu, Entu good. Yeah. Onim yenja. Yenhwe ase. Was it the funds raised will be used to finance the setup of mining companies?
Natural says, Sikanwa, yebe boabwa no, ye de babe supporto, Edumekua, one mutu a good day, form.
Or move up set it up,
ye babe to be brain
allies. The Mineral Commission will be pushed to issue licenses and good concessions to these companies. Great. Or say, if a Minerals Commissioner, Ora, I see, Martin, I see down no. One more be share Edumekui, say, Oma. Companies are one who need licenses. Ye more some fake licenses, including say concessions are gold near the war or honor adorye. Ye famous in Makoni. That is all more companies no more betino.
Yes, one more companies in the betting. And you'll be out. One more companies on betino and ye be pushy. Sa sites we at their moms or Munkwede and Koyejma. Document in a page now. Hopeson can that screen.
This will effectively transition us from galamsey mining to legally licensed mining companies.
I feel or say, wait, ebe boyen, Emma Caneno, ye galamsey no, at the ebe quenimu, and say Yababe, a licensed company. Chessy, ye walk Akudie, near one infidie, say, ye baby too good. Good. Ghana for Aremeyaw and Papa Ni.
Eti, may who say from Kwame Nkrumah Penzo.
That's right.
ABC John Mahama. Companies are no more licenses. Uka Nina Bumwa Kakrabi. Akufo Addo Bawumia Braid.
Okay, next I need 56. 50 by repository records.
Yeah, 56, 57.
Yeah.
And a few ideas. I call just 8 years. I 1,300 and something or so.
That's right.
1,300 and something. Now. Medical catcher say Oko page 11 of the book.
That's right.
Company number 1, page 11. Company number 1. Eyaduma dances out. Your friend Faithful Mining Ventures.
That's right.
You were
Faithful Mining, yes. Right?
Good. You were Pictorial Enterprise, Soft Hand Enterprise, Rich Star Mining Ventures. I mean, they breed 332.
Now, this
is saying, say. They will be Minerals Commission will be pushed to give them license. Now friends also know one more good concessions.
Exactly.
Adorye.
That's right.
Adorye airline.
Yes.
Say will be to be
and almost
so many years. Yes. gold wɔ yɛ no mu etu ti mu said gold na adorye pa hey
Jesus Christ
any bread pa ne trimodini eh any bread ne trimodini she na say one say data boy den ba
I'm telling you
na say eka Ghana has said there many advert there but one telecommunication company naka unam Ghana be bia wonya pa no so obema kwa mabodia MTN
ai ka
ene wa huni atu MTN tie ni omo ha page 20 under telecommunication was it we currently do not have much foothold in this sector. The critical role that telecom companies play in the lives and economic fortunes of this country require us to make a strong entry into the sector.
That's right.
Hey, just a baby omura
sector by sector.
Was it that baby
That's right.
The successful planting of Kennedy Agyapong into the telecom sector has given us unparalleled advantage in terms of having a view of activity flow within the sector and the ability to monitor communication of persons of our choosing.
Great. As some hope snake and as a channel say, I feel according to book no one of my cofa company bia ye from a Kennedy GVG. Sa company mobile kaya eye ora jataba o MP4 pram ebe kan ho asam kohun to kwasa ani osle usu say sa company amako form abai obi ehu adekom ba be but according to the document and there yehu company ne bobie kire say document re say company ye do ma ba say afo metu anamo bi e wo telephone ne so ene say wonu mo be use company e de tie enipaku bi enkoma wonu mo be di wo Ghana hase na side dumaku no e wa akode a wo de be tape if dropping and crofon komo na afisu company so ebetu anamo a ebeba sa anamo no e de yedie e de abrom and hopes na kan
yeah was it the intelligence gathering power allow us to target and eliminate any potential threat from within the NPP so what say company ya bay e ka ba say yen farmer state na ko monitor and focus but for a year yet no enkrofo bi tifie omutie
tie nkomo
enti mami ma
asere se ebiato
mami ma evidence
ana yenya ho
da bi meka ho
good ka ebiato Hopeson no
ebro mo ka se maba be ka se ye ka ni say dynamite say mo de me call court na me ya court say me report to
that's right
once every week in
police headquarters
enti adeba beche ama ya akono that very week ana ya bo bia samu afre me and was you opese one me neko this time eti mentwan no ne yenko adam si you and wo ka chem say a boy 11 pepepa
ya wo hono Ghana for mo di agro
wo ka chem 11 pepepa man fresh ID ni no man fro bia
that's right
according to ono so am fro bia enkola no mutimi kam am ne omo kokra man kan kire omo say ye call police station what say ye ko wura ho
that's right
ye duru ho na belief ene the security guy bi na me hu ya na me say sa na obe kra kam hu na ni so police station ho nom hey me duru ho na omo gina ho
CID ho no
police station obi ko police station akwakọ report e ho nom because oyonko bi tinifie wo East Lagos etie nkomo no hey mun ko na mun fa nkonko 7 no ho nom hey na later on me bo police for that man we say me hu ya Gabby and intem grants ameje komo be dealing with them papa because it's so beautiful or your confidential wo tienti hwe and na walk out has say
that's right
was say to target and eliminate any potential threat within the NPP
mate na say sa company no bota ene say enipa bia wonu mo NPP ma wo mo be ya sobrache no so me de ye omo free ho
this is
omo tie omo nkomo at the same time
this is from 2020
exactly
what dem dey omo yesterday way because as I say obinya nodo no lead party no said ye be ya Agyapadie book we be ya complete
exactly
omo betima execute to bibia to the latter
so wano so
many yes
I say fulfillment
yes I don't know omo dia to wonu no enti me said ye me nim say 24/7 ye tie me call
that's right
I thought that's why me said twa wo mo
keka bigu ho ma wo
me twa wo mo angasa nso mo mutie so won ye tell Yet me call. I don't care because me assembly America biano. Me a solid one. Me dim the America. Anna omubeke NDC for business so no more aye.
That's right.
See the champion NTM for a year ago. Was it our sister in charge of the ministry responsible for the sector is doing remarkably
our
well.
Sister.
Our sister. What was sister no hold on?
Mehuno.
Especially her confrontation with MTN Ghana resulting in administrative measures aimed at curtailing the business of MTN. How can you be so wicked? How can you be so wicked? Hi, MTN for me kebi amamwe. Mama credit.
Hey, asem na ye hu o. Ewura no na nya asem ya abotoyo mu asem o. Ekwan ya omudi MTN efa so mo be kaya ya be program bi ha ma MTN kwan ya ma MTN data no aye huhu sa no mo kaya ya yes about a month ago.
Shady Walker. Yeah. From 2021, said we no reviewed in 2020.
Yes.
From 2021, legislation would need to be introduced to break up the business of MTN using national security and antitrust reason as justification.
Oh. Not just say MTN omo the national security for na fi omo the national security for so Kwaku ehuna NDC for muntie according to documents in so no baby so no mpenifo mo NDC so no ye tie mo so mo nkomo asema down now Mabeka says na mamemfa no so nto aso maybe a breaking news asofo mpenifo amwo Ghana ha at the charismatic level orthodox level any the kind of saying whatever level ye tie mo nkomo asofo amwo memu a monya hwe yie bebre ye tie mo nkomo folks
ma ye fancy ana mema asamba kwa
afi Agyapadie no review no third review no any hopes na yerem
yo wait for winning and summer abeto yep so because this is so and our hello so we can subscribe ya omori answer over subscribe to the channel since I have here latest and hot news and Aramede promo afi ya na wa like video give us a thumbs up nafi share my for some we need here now and some more so e wo Ghana me mu hano also with me otchere what me afa here so we now e wo comment box ni mo beti ni Gabby in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.